Why don't courts flip their decisions with every new case? Because of stare decisis, the rule that keeps the law steady. In this video, you'll discover what stare decisis means, why it matters, and how it works through a simple example. Stare decisis literally means to stand by things decided. In other words, courts follow earlier rulings when they face similar cases. Those earlier rulings are called precedents. Together, stare decisis and precedent let American law develop case by case, our common law system. Why do this? So the law is stable and fair. If two people face the same problem, they should get the same outcome. Precedent makes that possible. Imagine this. Peter sues Alex because Alex borrowed Peter's fence panels without permission and accidentally broke one. An appellate court in their state decides the borrower must pay for repairs but not buy a brand new fence. Later, Maria sues John over a window broken in the same state under similar facts. The trial court follows Peter versus Alex and orders John to pay for repairs. This is stare decisis in action. So, stare decisis means courts follow precedent, same facts, same outcome. As in Maria's case, echoing Peter versus Alex. Quick pause to put this into practice. Want to check your progress? Tap the link for a quick practice test and a concise study guide tailored to this lesson. Quiz yourself, skim the highlights, and jump back in. Now, hold that example in mind, because this pattern doesn't stop at one pair of cases. This creates a chain. Each new case links back to older ones, keeping the law predictable and reducing random or unfair decisions. That's why lawyers and judges often research past rulings before arguing or deciding a case. But what if an old decision no longer makes sense? Courts, especially the U.S. Supreme Court, can overturn their own precedents. It's rare, but it allows the law to evolve with society. Here's how it all flows. At the very top is the Supreme Court. Its decisions are binding. Every court in the country must follow them. Federal appeals courts set rules for their regions, and trial courts follow their guidance. But not all precedent is binding. Sometimes lower courts look at decisions from other states or even other countries. These are called persuasive precedents, helpful for guidance, but not mandatory. Let's recap. Stare decisis means standing by past decisions. Courts use precedent to keep the law consistent and fair. Higher courts set binding rules, while persuasive cases help guide tricky situations. In rare cases, precedents can be overturned so the law can adapt. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.